Hello everyone, it's Peter here from ScreenProtector and from the Inte.Team. Guys, in this box I've got long-awaited Pixel 3a. I don't know if you remember, there was an episode where I was trying to replace the charging port for the Pixel 3a, and unfortunately I was so unlucky that display stopped working. Okay, so this display, when I will plug in the charge, oh, now I can plug in the charge because the battery is disconnected. So, oh, that's the P40 Pro, poor fella. That's screen is damaged, bug is damaged. Yeah. Anyways, okay, let's plug in the battery here. Okay, so the battery is connected. But the display has nothing. Completely nothing. There is a small, well, that's the connector for the charger. Okay, that was bad. Well, let's take it away. Let's disconnect it. It is okay. Let's push that through, whichever way it went. This way? This way. Okay. So, don't know if that. Yeah, that went okay. That's fine. Well, my question is, are we okay on those connectors? Because maybe I did something wrong and I haven't noticed. No, they look okay. I've pressed them extra just now. They are looking flat, not popping out in any sides, so it's okay. Can get this one in. What else is here? Ah, okay, here is the connector. Oh, how I will connect it? Oh well, I will have some fun. Can I take it out? Is it possible to take it out? Okay, I can take it out because here I've got a connector which connects just at the top, and it's a camera. I think it's looking like, no, camera is here, so I don't know, maybe that's a proximity sensor. Ah, okay, so we've got it. Now this is all connected here, so it's fine, so it shouldn't make me a problem. Let's get us yours. Okay, yours. Don't need a light right now, so let's move this through the hole. Ah, okay, I need to direct it to the second side. Now leave this camera to the top. Okay, okay, now it went through. That's okay. And now let's try. Okay, this is sort of working. So now let's check this connector. Don't believe that will do anything. It's difficult to it is. Then I would have to clip it properly to the very end. And where is our charger? Nothing. So exactly, so this screen, I would say it's dead. I don't believe there will be any other issue with this phone. Well, it still might, but just least likely. So how about checking a new screen for it? What do you say, guys? We will get the new screen. What do you think? Will it help? Okay. Looks okay to me. Now. Oh yeah, there is a charge. There is a charge, 2%. So guys, we got a fix for the Pixel. Unfortunately, the screen don't wanna work properly. Let's give it a last bash before sending it merry way. Gentle, gentle, gentle. I don't want to lose second screen. Ah, it's glued here. Should remove the sticker. Okay, now it's fine. So yeah, I didn't remove the sticker. My fault. Okay, so we know that this screen is working, which came for this Pixel. Let's get the old screen back. And let's see. No damage visible here. So what it would be, connector or just connection? That's quite interesting. Okay. No. This is definitely not working. So we did test another display and it works fine, but this display unfortunately have died in some unknown way. Something is not connecting in this display. I can have a wee look later on, but to be true, you know, if you count, you count. Check the other way around, but it doesn't matter, I'd say. Yeah, still nothing. Okay, the only thing what I can check is trying to disconnect and maybe connect it one more time, but why even bother? I get no idea. Oh. Maybe I've pulled something, or It's difficult to fit inside of the... Oh, now it clicked the way I would want it to click. So if that won't work, and I've heard the sound of the click, then I'm 100% there is a problem with this screen. If that will work right now, then that's mean we didn't need a new screen, we just need a good connection with it. Sorry. Okay, well, I've got a new screen, I can mount it, and we've got a 1 pixel 3A for sale. So that's a good phone. I will check maybe the battery before deciding if I want to sell it with a new battery, maybe, because it will be open anyway. So it is open anyway. So in that case, you know, well, I've got white stuff here. So yeah, so in this case, you know, I will just see if the battery is really not in a good shape, then. But that's it in this episode. So when you've seen the old Pixel 3A from many episodes back, you can see that this is working with a new display. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully to still do something about this display. Maybe I can make it back working, but I'll look under the microscope if I will see anything interesting and I will be able to make it working back again, then for sure I will share the knowledge with you, and maybe we can fix it still. Yes, I mean the display, because the phone is okay. Thank you for watching and see you in the next episode. Bye bye.